Everyone, and welcome back to my channel Unbound Coder. Here we break the limit with code. So today we will solve Leetcode problem number 91, Decode OS. Okay, so here what is the problem? Say that we given some number in form of string like 226. Okay, so you have to convert. You know that my one is A, two is B, dot 26 is Z. Okay, so you have to convert this string into this way. Okay, this way you fill the string into this character form. Okay, so how much pattern you do this type? You also decode each. One is 226, another is 2,26, and again another is 2,6. So this is my three pattern. Okay, so answer is my three. And when answer is not find, when, because here possible, if you see here main funda, here possible only a single digit number means 1 to 9, and double digit number means 10 to 26. Okay, so now when single digit number, so my base case what, not came 0. Okay, this is my main base case for single digit number. And for twin double digit number, one is go one is go from 1 to 10, matlab 10 20, one matlab 10 to 19, and another is go from 2 from 20 to 26. Okay, that's it. So what I do, for there is a DP problem. This is whenever find that this matlab how much way, so this is his DP problem. So it is also solved by recursion, but in recursion it give me what say, mm, time exponential time complexity, but by memoization it's also possible big O in time complexity. Okay, so what the memoization? So in function you pass the value, start from 0 and pass the string. Okay, and when you, my base case, what is my base case? My base case is when I reach my I, when you pass this function I comma s, when you write I equal to my n, then return 1 possible way, because you came when last came, this is my one possible way, this is my another possible way, this is my another possible way. Okay, so return 1. Okay, and you write that, if base case you check always, if my dp value, dp of I value not equal to my -1, then what you say, then return the dp of I value. Okay, mm, means now what is the possible way? If my single number if present, so if s of I is not equal to 0, then you enter the loop. What you write, you pass the function my dp of I value equal to my function of I plus 1, just single value increase 1 by 1, and s pass, and you write if boundary case, you also check if my s is small, s is less than my length s dot size, and also and okay, and whenever my single case, then also need. So what I say, my s of I value, if my s of I value equal to 1, or s of I value equal to my 2, and by this case we also need my I plus 1 till go greater than equal to 6, matlab greater than equal to 6, then you write my, you also last you written, okay, answer plus equal to this, and answer plus equal to my dp of I plus 2 comma s. Okay, and always here write one increase. So you write, um, when you write I plus 1, if h dot size is less than h dot size, then also pass. Okay, so now I show you the code in my laptop. There I also show you memoization, the tabulation, and page optimization. Okay, so so in my so see in my laptop. Come my laptop screen. Now you see. So here I only pass that if return you are return function my mm, matlab zero, start from zero, and my age. Also for memoization I need a because I not use recursion. In recursion is time complexity exponential, so I need a dp array. What the dp array? Vector integer dp. This is initially minus 1. First of all, write the size. What is the size of the DP array? I write in n equal to h dot size. Okay. Then you write that n comma my minus 1. Okay. Now you write the function. Mm, I in function equal to int I str in string passed by reference string s and the dp array vector integer dp control v, which is passed by reference. Okay. Now first of all write the base case base case. What the base case say? If my I equal to n, when came last, return 1. Means I came pathway 1. Okay. Then write any item in not in my dp value. Okay, so you write if my dp of I not equal to minus 1, not equal to minus 1, return return dp of I. Okay. Okay. Now you write the how much case you know. So first of all single case. So if my s of I not equal to not equal to 0. Okay. Then what you write? You first of all write that my int answer equal to 0. Okay. So you here write my answer plus equal to my function of I plus 1 comma s comma dp. Okay. Okay. Then you write if my s of s, you write my I plus 1. Okay. If small than n, so here need the n value. So I write id 1 second. I pass on here. So this is also very good. Here also I not pass. So I write int n. Int n also. Okay. Now okay. So if I write I plus 1 is also my less than my size, and then also any of the following case too. S of I equal to 1, or S of I equal to 2, equal to 2, and I plus 1 will go for 2, go till 6 because we need 26 array, means 26 last my z value. Okay, so you write for 6. This one go from 10 to 19 and these two go from 20 to 26. I not take extra. Okay, now you write answer plus equal to function of I plus 2 comma s comma n comma dp. Okay, and you write here also n comma dp, and lastly you return mm, lastly you return my dp of I equal to answer. I think pass all the test case. What the problem? Okay, sorry, here I not write the return. You are return. Hmm, oh, ये thing तो बहुत ही this comparison is common syntax error. Okay, now what the problem? 27. Okay, check 1 second. Oh, sorry, here check 27. I think now I understand because I need piece of I plus 1 26. Oh, okay. Now I think was all that is. Yeah, 100% B. Okay. So this is my memorization and time comes to the big way. Okay. So now I see you the tabulation. So now, if my memorization is top down, so my tabulation what it is bottom up approach. So here you first of all write not minus one is initially 0, and for need check n, so I write n plus 1. Okay, okay, and I return dp of 0, my return dp of 0 value. Okay, okay. And you write first of all the base case. What is my base case? My base case is dp of dp of n equal to 1. Okay, okay. And you write for loop for here you see that my go from 0 to 0 to go n. So here go from n minus 1 to int